Hello guys, welcome back to DirectDMedia. Seperti yang you guys tahu, gaming smartphone selalunya kurang memberi penekanan terhadap kamera mereka, but not for Lenovo Legion Phone Duel 2. With dual camera setup, 64MP as a main camera and 16MP for ultra wide camera. Untuk kamera hadapan, Lenovo masih maintain dengan motorized pop-up camera at the side of the phone, but have been upgraded into 44MP. There's plenty of camera features yang you guys boleh play around. You guys pun boleh zoom sehingga 8 kali digital zoom. And most of the features pun ada pada regular smartphones. Kalau you guys seorang streamer, you guys boleh direct stream on your social media and use the front camera to make yourself visible in the video. You guys boleh letakkan video anda kat mana-mana saja yang dirasakan sesuai. And you guys can edit your background as well, so it looks like you are using a green screen. Cool, right? So, what do you guys think about Lenovo Legion Phone Duel 2's camera? Pada awal tu, mungkin you guys akan rasa kekok sikit dengan placement of its camera, but I'm sure you guys can easily get used to it. Plus, kualiti gambar yang dihasilkan is not that bad. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Itu saja daripada saya. Stay safe and bye-bye.